Hey G Squad, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I bake this red snapper, and with the combination of all the spices and herbs, it tastes so delicious. So if you would like to see how I put this meal together, then keep watching. Hey G Squad, so I have everything laid out here, starting with our snapper. So this is a nice size snapper I have here. It's nice and meaty, just how I like it. I removed all the fins, but I like to leave the head on for presentation, one, and then two, the head of the fish to me has like all the flavoring, a lot of flavoring in it. But in any case, you can remove yours if you want. And then now, as far as my seasonings, in this bowl is a combination of all these seasonings that I have here. So I'm just going to quickly name them, but I'll also list them on the screen so you'll know what I use. But I always say in my videos, season your food to your liking. So starting with, I have some coriander that I added in here, some ginger powder, black pepper. I added some lemon pepper because I don't have fresh lemon, so I just added some lemon pepper to this as well. I have onion powder. I have some dry basil leaves. I added turmeric in there. I have paprika, some cayenne pepper, garlic powder, of course. I added some all-purpose adobo seasoning. And then I have some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. And then for my oil, I have 1 cup of vegetable oil here. Okay? So now we're going to get started with seasoning our fish. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my fish because I want my seasonings to marinate throughout the entire fish. So what I'm going to do is cut some slits in the side of this fish. Now guys, I have 2 knives here. I prefer it to cut with this one because it has a smooth edge, whereas my typical green knife has the wedge. Okay, so let me see if this is, it'll allow me to do the trick. So I'm going to go in and just cut. Okay, yes, all right, okay. So I'm just going to cut some deep slits in my fish. One day your girl's gonna get some real sharp knives. Let's go all the way in. Now I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on this side. Okay, so there we have it. This is how it looks. Okay, so now in this bowl, I'm going to add my cup of oil. And again, this is vegetable oil that I'm using. And then now I'm going to go in with my seasoned blend. Add that to the oil, and then now I'm just going to whisk all this together until it's combined. Okay, so now I have my spoon. So now I'm going to go in and start filling in the slits where I just cut my fish. Make sure you get all down in there. Okay, so now I'm just going to continue just covering it. Okay, so I just transfer it to my pan. So I'm going to turn it over and then do the same thing on the other side. Go into each slit and get that, make sure you get this marinade all the way in. Okay? Open your fish, make sure you get the inside of your fish as well. And make sure you stir it up again. You want to get all that seasoning from the bottom. Okay? Okay, so now, typically I will let this marinate for about an hour or two, but today, because I'm backed up on time, I'm just going to go ahead and cook this in, pop this in the oven now. And I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and so I'm going to allow this to cook for about 10 minutes on each side. And like every, say, after 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to marinate it, you know, with my mixture. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead, as I said, and just pop this in the oven. My oven is ready, and then I'll pop back in when I'm going to marinate to show you what it looks like. Okay, y'all, so it's been like 10 minutes, so I'm going to remove the fish and flip it over. This is how it looks so far, and it smells amazing in here. Okay, so now I'm going to flip over our fish. Okay. And so now I'm going to, with my mixture, baste this side of the fish, and I'm grabbing up, making sure I grab up the ingredients, more so than the liquid, the seasonings. Okay, so now I'm going to place it back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes. Alright, y'all, so it's been an additional 10 minutes, so let's take this bad boy out of the oven. Woo. Yes. Okay. So this is our snapper right out of the oven. So I'm going to allow this to sit for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to plate it and wrap up this video. But yeah, this is our baby. You hear that sizzling going on? Alright, G Squad. So here we are, our oven baked red snapper. I just placed it on a bed of spinach with some tomatoes and yellow onion. But yeah, this is our beautiful baby. Let me bring it a little closer for y'all. Alright, and the flavors in this fish, oh my gosh, it's so, so delicious. Let me take a fork and just break into it for you. Alright, y'all, have my fork here. Break right into it. You see all that delicious meat in there? See that? Yes, this is what we're working with. So good. Wow. So G Squad, as usual, I want to thank you so much for stopping in to see what your girl is cooking up in the kitchen, and I hope I have not disappointed. So please make sure you leave a comment below if you like red snapper, you know, or what's your favorite type of fish. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up and comment. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Be well, be safe, and be blessed. Bye.